Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. So guys, if you are facing this problem but you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings and you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then you have to make sure that there is not connected to any of the VPN. If there is unconnected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then scroll to below and then tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restriction and turn this toggle off. Now turning it off, you have to just simply open general and software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you still having this problem, then you have to just simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and then reset all settings from here, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, after force restart your device, check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply open the App Store and search here for Apple Developer, and then you have to just simply download and install this app, and then you have to just simply describe your problem to the Apple support team, and then they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.